This is a video showing some of the reasons that contractors use the Trimble Estimation Desktop HVAC software. One of the primary reasons contractors do use the software is to speed up the takeoff with the connected digital takeoff. When a contractor wants to use the estimation software, he's able to bring in a PDF or a TIFF file or a DWG, have it up on screen, verify the scale by measuring a known length on the drawing, come to his options and identify what shape duct he may be taking off, identify the water gauge and the sizes that he's going to take off. He then can come in and choose a tool to measure or count with. In this case, I'm going to measure using something we call single line takeoff, and I'll click from point to point. With single line takeoff, it knows you need duct, so you don't have to tell it you need duct, but you can tell it what the final fitting is that is required. In this case, I need a transition, and it's going to transition down to 10 by 8. When I choose the transition, it will ask me for the size of that transition, so that when I hit OK, it gives me the run of duct, marks up the transition as well, and in my audit trail you can see it's given me what I require. It also has changed the size appropriately, so then I can just keep on measuring, and all I'm going to do is click from point to point. When I get to a 90 or a 45 and I make that turn, the software will recognize that you're making the turn, and it'll automatically pick up those fittings for you. As you hit the edge of the screen, it pans the screen automatically. It's very easy to zoom in and out on the document. And then simply again, at the end, I need an end cap. Choose the fitting you require, verify the size, but at the same time it gave me my run of duct. It's taken off the elbow that I require. So again, the digital takeoff can really help you to speed up your overall takeoff processes. Another thing that helps contractors when working with the software is that it's going to allow them to use pre-built assemblies. These assemblies can help you to be more accurate and also speed up your overall process. In this case, when he wants to count a diffuser, not only is it going to give me the diffuser, but this is an assembly where it is giving me spin-in with the damper, the insulated flex, the diffuser, all the way down to the flex ties that are required. These assemblies are pre-built. There's a lot of them already in here, but they are completely customizable, and you can even build your own assemblies as well. Another reason that contractors use the software is that it gives them the ability to compare changes on addendum. Using the revision tool, it can allow you to overlay plans on top of each other. When a contractor has an original drawing and then is sent addendum, he can use the revision tool to simply pull in an addendum, identify the colors you want the differences between the two documents to show up in, and hit OK. In doing that, it will overlay the plans on top of each other, search to find what the differences are between the two, and color code those differences. What you see here, dark line is the same on both, red line was on the original but not on the addendum anymore, green line is on the addendum but was not there on the original. With the software, there are also flexible reports that can be used to give you quick, detailed material lists. These material lists can provide the contractor with a list of the items, quantities, pricing, labor in the field and labor in the shop, as well as the poundages for all of your fabricated items. The totals are down the bottom. And if you've broken the job up by system or by floor or by drawing, you'll be able to run reports that are very specific and detailed to the certain areas of the project that you're working on. There are also customizable bid summary reports used to identify overhead, profit, taxes, and rates and help the contractor be more accurate. When the contractor is working with the bid summary, it automatically pulls in the total material cost associated with the job, as well as the labor hours in the field and in the shop. He is then able to plug in any other costs associated, such as quoted items, whether it might be air devices or any type of equipment, sales tax, labor rates, whether it's a flat rate or if he needs to break the hours up by foreman, journeyman, and apprentice. Any other items such as travel time, cleanup. Coming down here, you've got all your direct job expenses. It is a checklist. It's about making sure he does not forget anything. His subcontracts, his overhead, whether it be a flat overhead or if he breaks it out by material, quoted items, labor, he can apply separate percentages. Profit, bonding, cost per square foot, cost per ton. That's just about giving him a reference number. Again, this is a checklist. It's all about making sure he's getting to that final bid price without missing any items. Other important facts about the Trimble Estimation Desktop HVAC is that it comes preloaded out of the box with SMACNA standards. They are customizable, so you can adjust them specifically for your shop as you need. Also, when you get the software, we provide professional implementation, training, and support to make sure that you are successful with the software.
To request a demo or learn more about Trimble MEP products, visit us at mep.trimble.com or find the right link for you in the description. Thanks for watching.